Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry. Explain the procedure to the resident. Obtain a gait belt for the resident. Assist resident to put on non-skid shoes or footwear. Adjust the bed height to ensure that the resident's feet are flat on the floor when the resident is sitting on the edge of the bed. Lock bed brakes to ensure resident safety. Lock wheelchair brakes to ensure resident safety. Bring resident to a sitting position. Place gait belt around resident's waist to stabilize trunk. Tighten gait belt. Check gait belt for tightness by slipping fingers between gait belt and resident. Face the resident. Grasp gait belt on both sides with an upward grasp. Bring resident to standing position. Stabilize the resident. Ambulate resident at least 10 steps to the wheelchair. Assist resident to pivot or turn and sit resident in the wheelchair in a controlled manner that ensures safety. Use proper body mechanics at all times. Remove gait belt. Place call light or signaling device within easy reach of the resident. Maintain respectful, courteous, interpersonal interactions at all times. Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry.